Smoke curls over the valley as the distant sound of cannon fire shakes the earth. Ember snorts nervously, sensing the storm of war ahead. Ember gallops through mud and debris, moving with determined grace amidst flying arrows and falling dust. Despite the chaos, Ember's dark eyes remain steady, reflecting courage no sword could break. Ember roamed peaceful hills where wildflowers swayed and children laughed freely. Children nuzzled his nose and stroked his coat, leaving memories of warmth and trust. He tasted the sweetness of stolen apples, blissfully unaware that peace would vanish. Ember carried Aiden across a freezing river, water swirling around their legs, trust binding them through the cold. Bullets whizzed past, but Ember surged forward, instincts sharp, protecting his rider. Through every fear and every hope, Ember remained a loyal companion, more than a horse, an unspoken shield. The sun bled red into the horizon as Ember limped into a clearing, sensing something wrong. Ember knelt beside Aiden, pressing his nose to the young man's chest, refusing to leave. He wanted to run, to escape the death, but he stayed, loyalty stronger than fear. Ember emerged from the smoke alone. Aiden was gone, and silence weighed heavily. Every hoofbeat carried the memory of Aiden. Every flick of his tail whispered his name. Alone in the aftermath, grief and courage intertwined, shaping the horse who had survived the storm. Ember returned to the village, sunlight glimmering over fields he had never truly known. Children ran to him, laughter spilling into the air, and for a moment, the weight of war lifted. Ember lowered his head, nuzzling a small boy who reminded him of Aiden. Scars ran deep across his body and soul, but Ember carried hope. Even in shadows of war, he remembered love, loyalty, and courage. Ember lived on, a guardian of memory, proof that spirits, no matter how battered, could endure.